Hey, great morning, folks. Great morning. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Listen up, superstars. I want to talk about money. Okay, I'm headed to the gym right now. I thought I'd jump online. So if you're watching on Facebook or YouTube, or maybe you're live with me right now, go ahead and hit that like and share button for me, if you don't mind. Okay, thank you so much. I'm gonna let a few people get in here, and I want you to write this down. This is all about money. And I got a question in my direct messages here on my Instagram, Wesley $1 Million Virgin. And somebody asked me the question. I want you to listen close because this may be your question. Wesley, when do you start spending money when you're making a little bit of money? My question is this. How many of you right now are making $5,000 per month plus? Okay. Is that you? How many of you right now are making $5,000 per month plus? $10,000 per month, $20,000. Now, if you're broke, this is not for you. You need to go to wesleyvirgin.com. Oh, I love you, but yeah, you might want to move to that website so we can pull you out of poverty. But this video is actually specifically for people and that had a couple of breakthroughs in business and have money, but they don't know when to start buying the cars. They don't know when they should buy the homes, the jewelry, or start spending some money here. Okay, so let me tell my story first. In the beginning, when I first started earning $10,000 per month, I was a computer engineer. If you guys didn't know that, yes, I'm a nerd. Yeah, I'm like a computer programmer. I put computers together. I can take them apart. I'm pretty good technically, okay? So I made some pretty good money, but the problem was every month, no lie, I was broke, okay? I would spend the money and I would just start buying stuff, right? With $10,000 a month, taking trips, buying cars I couldn't really afford. And the issue was I was earning money, but I was spending the money as fast as I was earning it, okay? Then later on, after life beat me to death, right? I got smarter. And I want you to listen to this. Like right now, okay, I'm driving a $250,000 car. I think I have about $1 million worth of cars right now. I own $1 million worth of cars. I got another like $900,000 worth of real estate. But I didn't, from all the cars, all the homes that I've bought, now listen to me here, I still have a minimum of $1 million in my bank account. Okay? Now listen to me here, this is important. This is a $250,000 car. I would not purchase this car or this truck, this G-Wagon here, until I had at least $300,000 in my bank account. Let me give you another example. You see right here, some of you guys like Cartier bracelets. I have 3. That's $30,000. I wouldn't buy this unless I had $60,000 in my bank account. Okay? I've bought homes for $150,000, $200,000. Some of those cash. But I wouldn't buy those homes until I had double the amount in my bank account. So the point is this, and I'm gonna let you guys go. Start spending money when you have the price of the car, the home, or whatever you want ×2. Okay? Write that down, please. I just want to educate you guys about money real quickly here. Don't buy anything unless you can pay cash for it. Doesn't mean that you need to pay cash for it, but don't do that, because I know people right now that make $15,000, $20,000 a month, and they're broke at the end of the month, right? Because they're spending and they don't have a principle to spend the money. Make sense? So if you're making a little change, you're making a little money here. I don't know how much money you guys are making here. As a matter of fact, put it below here. Put down the amount of money you're making per month. Don't be embarrassed, okay? Don't start spending the money unless you have the money to pay for it cash. Which means if I buy this car for $250,000, if I spend $250,000, well, I better have $250,000 still left in my bank account, which means I need $500,000. Does that make sense? 500,000 times 2. Like me, I always have several millions of dollars in my bank account. Not because I need it there, it's because the money and the principles on how I spend my money is very strict. Okay, I don't buy anything unless I have personally double the amount in my bank account, period. And my bank account would never go under $1 million. Never. Okay? Of all the liquid I have, I would never go under $1 million. Okay? Make sense? All right, any questions for me? I'm just headed to the gym right now, guys. Wait, hold up. I'm headed to the gym, working out. If anybody have any questions here, put it below. If you got any value in this video, go ahead and hit the like and share button for me. I got to go work this body here. I'm a vegan now. Let's go! And, yeah, I got to work out. So any questions for me, hit the like and share button if you have a question for me right now. Remember, you can always go to wesleyvirgin.com. I'll leave a link below here if you want to get more information on how to be wealthy, on how to change your mindset to be wealthy, and how to rapidly change your beliefs to get some of the things that you want out of life. Right now, 2019. It's the end of 2019, guys. Hello? It is the end of 2019. And some of you have not achieved your goals. You have not reached anything. You have not accomplished nothing. And be careful, because I don't want you to repeat the same habits and problems and challenges and mistakes in 2019. It's time for a change. Okay? Any questions for me? And nothing changes unless you change. How do I change? Well, go to wesleyvirgin.com. Start watching the videos. Right? Look at the Overnight Millionaire program, which teaches you and shows you the blueprint on how I earned $1 million in 1 month. Right before that, I was basically in poverty. Okay? Much love. Hey, before we go here, if you don't mind, can we do one thing, please? Come here. Look at me. Can we do one thing before we leave, before I leave here? Let's give all praises to the Most High God is the greatest. Let's give God the praise right now. Whatever you believe. You don't have to be God, Buddha. That's just give the universe. Let's give God the praise right now. All praises to the Most High God is the greatest. I want you to hit the like button right now if you feel that you want to give God, or whatever you believe, all the praise to the Most High right now. And I want you to hit that like button and hit that share button like you feel it right now. All praises to the Most High God is the greatest. As a matter of fact, I would like you to type it right below. All praises to the Most High God is the greatest. And the only reason I say God is the greatest, the universe is the greatest, we are the greatest, because we must remain grateful through the perseverance of becoming wealthy, successful, healthy, or whatever we desire out of life. All praises to the Most High God is the greatest. I'm talking to you. I want you to comment below. Just do it one time. Not for me, for you. One time. Because this is going to begin and start your day with gratitude. All praises to the Most High God is the greatest. And let me share something with you. Don't be afraid to say that loudly. I know some of you get upset because I scream, but I'm just so passionate about, and I'm so excited and so enthusiastic about the blessings that God has allowed me to obtain. But what I'm saying is this, guess what? That God has given you the same fortitude, God has given you the same strength, and He has given you the same power over your mind, over the faculties of your mindset, of your mentality right now, that you can say all praises to the Most High God is the greatest. That today is a day of change. Today is a day of breakthrough. But you got to claim it. You got to confess it. All praises to the Most High God is the greatest, because He is. I love you guys so much. I appreciate you. Remember, thank you for hitting the like and share button, sharing this out, permeating this message out around the globe on the internet here. I love you. I love you. Remember that. I can't say that enough. Man, I'm excited. I'm just so excited because, well, great things are taking place. But, you know, I love you. I love you so much. Keep going. Fuck failure, right? Reject any negative type of conversations. Believe in you. Get away from Pookie and Ray. Don't talk to negative people. Don't spend any time with people on the planet that is not giving you positivity. Don't spend any time with people that have a piss poor attitude. Stay with the people that smile. Stay with the people that are filled with joy. Stay around the people who are wealthy, who are successful, who are healthy, who are loving people. And I'm telling you, your life would never be the same. Hey, I love you guys so much. This is Wesley, $1 Billion Version. Let's go!